www.gibsontruckworld.com 2006 Dodge 2500 SLT Crew Cab 5.9L Cummins Diesel 4-wheel drive lifted, with only 59k miles, riding on a nice set of 35-inch tires with a $300 UWS toolbox. 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, power seating, CD player, wood grain interior trim, sliding rear window, keyless entry, alarm, chrome Nerf bars, towing package, power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. With its Cummins engine and 35-inch tires, this Dodge is the ultimate expression of power and style. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with